Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. At this point, Batarabum Kosi Aishem, Unonku Williams is a true definition of Ngizofela Otandweni because what is this? We've seen or have witnessed Unonku Williams suffering from Umjolo Batarabum Kosi dating weird looking men with weird characters and doing shenanigan things. And through all of that, she came out as who she is. During the Real Housewives of Durban, she announced that she is a born again Christian and she has solely devoted her life to uNkulunkulu. After, of course, Mjolo nist her. Aisha umtribulile impela. And then recently she has been posting cute pictures and videos of herself and her alleged new man. In this video, they were doing a very cute thing whereby Nonku and her man were preparing different dishes. The man was making steak and Nonku William was preparing fish. It looks cute, Betunan, and people believed because Hashem this time around Nonku Williams really got the best man until Musa Kaula posted a very disturbing tweet on Twitter stating that Nonku Williams with her abusive boyfriend Lungani. People are shocked and surprised on what grounds is this new boyfriend abusive, and they are wishing that Nonku Williams can get a better man. If this one doesn't work, Betunane, because Aibo at this point, Usisi will definitely lose it because Aibo. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.